Hello, dear friends. Today we'll learn how to say sports in Russian, yeah? Different kinds of sport. Sport, sport, sport. And what sport do we have? Of course, football. Football, football. Basketball, basketball, basketball. Volleyball, volleyball, volleyball. Tennis, tennis, tennis. Hockey, хоккей, хоккей. Figure skating, фигурное катание, фигурное катание. Gymnastics, гимнастика, гимнастика. Running, бег, бег. And yoga, yoga, yoga. It can be sport or it can be philosophy. It's up to you. Cycling, езда на велосипеде, езда на велосипеде. Or велоспорт, велоспорт. Swimming, плавание, плавание. And surfing, surfing, surfing. Skiing, катание на лыжах, катание на лыжах. And skis, лыжи, лыжи. Борьба, борьба. It can be aikido, aikido, or karate, karate, or box, box, box. Its main kinds of sport. Please write in comments more sports that you know, and please write what sport do you like.